Most marketers are making some huge mistakes on video that are literally killing their sales. But here's the crazy part. You can fix it with ChatGPT, and I'm going to share with you how you can do that. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Mark Harbert, and I love video. Video has been a huge part of my success online. I believe it is a huge part of success for anybody that goes on to have success because they're putting themselves out there. They're letting their audience see them, get to know them, understand them, see their face, hear their voice. And really, that's when people become comfortable with buying from you on a regular basis. So let's dive in to number one. One of the big mistakes that people make on video is that they get on video and they start selling. That is a huge problem. And I've seen this over the years over and over before where people get on and they're literally trying to sell their product or service on the video itself. And that is really not what you want to do. So jumping right into the pitch is a very, very hard sell. Okay. Nobody watches content because they necessarily want to be pitched. Now, everybody loves to buy, they just hate to be pitched. And so we have to do something, and that's wrap it in value. So you can actually take ChatGPT, and I shared this in a previous video, where you can take your videos and run them through ChatGPT and get feedback on how you can make it better. Now, the key is to take whatever it is that you're selling and wrap it in something like 5 free tips or the 3 best ways to whatever you're trying to do. This is the best way for you to create content, and that is to wrap the pitch in value. Now, if you're not sure what to talk about, this is where ChatGPT comes in. You take what you have, what you're trying to sell, and then you ask ChatGPT to give you some value-based tips that lead to whatever it is that you're trying to sell. So we wrap it in value, okay? I used to use the analogy where when you think of a filet mignon steak, you have the steak and a filet mignon is typically wrapped with bacon, okay? I don't know too many people that don't like bacon. Well, I guess if you're a vegan, you probably don't, but most people love bacon, okay? And when you wrap that steak in bacon, think about that as how we want to wrap the pitch in value. And that's what we do. So don't jump right into a sales pitch. Don't do that. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with some valuable points that you can. All right, so let's dive into point number 2. And this is very important as well. And that is people sound too generic. So one of the big mistakes is sounding too generic, not getting specific enough. And I've seen this over the years. Many people start creating videos and they create a lot of videos about mindset this, mindset that, mindset. Not saying there's anything bad about mindset, but the problem with that is that a lot of people think that's too generic. People have very specific problems that they're trying to solve. Your goal is to create solutions to specific problems. If your product or service provides a specific solution to a specific problem, that's the kind of content you want to create. And of course, this is where ChatGPT can come in as well. If you're not sure what you want to share, run over to ChatGPT, tell them what your product is, feed them what I believe is the best thing, and that's your 3 core primers. Now, in previous videos, I've talked about what your 3 core primers are. And the primers are basically where you prime ChatGPT with your information about who you are, what you're all about, what your offer is, your particular story, and really it can be anything like a framework or something that you give ChatGPT to really sound just like you. Number 3, this is point number 3, very, very important. And this is something that a lot of people miss out on, and that is a call to action. A lot of people are missing out on a call to action. When you create a video, a video is meant to be leading people somewhere. The goal is lead them to an opt-in page, lead them to a link, a website, something of that nature. But a lot of people leave out a clear call to action. And a call to action is something that you want to do. Now, if you're not sure, what is a good call to action, then ask ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, what is a good call to action? What are some of the things that you can offer that give people great value? Could be a video that you create, could be a PDF that you want to give away. It could just be something of high value that people will really, really enjoy. So this is very key. And again, you can use ChatGPT to fix this. If you're not 100% sure on what kind of call to action you want to create, ask ChatGPT. There is literally no excuse for not having ideas. There's literally no excuse for not getting the help that you need because ChatGPT literally solves all of that. AI in general. AI has really changed the game for many people like you and me. If you have a business online and it's all about creating content and you need ideas, it is literally a thumb type away. You just tell ChatGPT what you want and it'll give you ideas. And then you can kind of sift through them and see what it is that you like, and then go out and share it. So these are 3 tips just to recap. Number 1, the biggest mistake people are making is they are using video to sell too quickly. Your goal is to wrap that pitch in value, give people points, tips, strategies that they can use, which then lead to your product. The number 2 mistake that people are made is they sound too generic, or they're making is that they sound too generic. They're not feeding it the information that they need. The 3 core primers are the most important thing that you want to feed in there, okay? And then next, point number 3 is no clear call to action. And if you're not sure what your call to action is, this is where you go back to ChatGPT, let them know what you're looking to accomplish, and it will give you a clear call to action. So my call to action to you is, if you're looking for a way to come up with your best video ideas to really get started, then make sure you get access to my AI-powered video kickstart. You can look below this video, look in the comments, you'll see the link. You can go there, opt in, I'll send it over to you, I'll email it over to you, and you can use that. It's really helped a lot of people get started with their first few videos. All right, so go ahead, check it out, comment, and let me know if you got some value out of this. I hope it helped you. But remember, there is no excuse. You have ChatGPT, access to it. It can help you make better videos every single time. And if you're using the tool and you're using it correctly, you will get better. No question about it. And it's going to be a lot less strain and on your brain to try and come up with these ideas on your own. All right, I appreciate you. Have a great one, and we'll see you soon. Click that link below.